Hey guys! So today I'm gonna tell you how to get ready for the dinner date. But I'm super excited and I've tried to keep this tutorial as simple as I could. So let's just start with the look now.
Hi, I am Preeti Chawla. You're watching me on Femina.in. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Femina.
So the first step is to prime my skin properly, as it blurs out everything and helps setting my foundation. So I have taken 1.5 pump of foundation. Now the main key is to blend it in. Now apply the concealer under your eyes, closer to your lash, and don't forget the inner corner of the eyes. Gently dab the concealer and work it onto your skin, and do not rub it as it will ruin your look. I'm using the setting powder here to extend the life of my makeup, because a few dabs can lock your makeup in your place. Now I'm using my contour. Contouring defines and shapes the structure of your face. By blending it perfectly, I move on to the blush. Blush sure brings the life back to your look. Now just dust off the baked bits. And adding some highlighter to my cheekbones, my nose, my collarbone to add that glow to the entire look. In this eye makeup look, I think browns are gonna be perfect. They're pretty neutral. I'm gonna contour the crease line first, and then we can buff out all of those edges to get that smooth finish. Now I'm going to highlight my inner corner. Let's go in and finish these eyes with white kohl. Using a little bit of black kajal. Quickly filling up my brows with a dark brown brow gel for an amplified, shapely and defined finished brow. For the liner, all you need to do is to draw a line like the way you want to. Now grab your lash and place it on your lash line, topping it off with mascara. And the final step is lipper. Glide the liquid lipper from the center of your upper lip and trace contour of your mouth. Now fill in your upper and bottom lip. And here comes the final step, and sealing the deal with setting spray, and voila, you're done! I think I'm pretty glowing right now. Well, this look makes me feel confident and comfortable. Well, I'm all set and excited for my dinner date.